you want to study in Europe with full funding, like fully funded scholarship, in today's video I will share with you a scholarship located in Europe, okay, in one of the universities, sorry, in one of the universities located in Central Europe. So it's really a good scholarship, and I hope it will really help you to study in Europe with a full scholarship, because many people are looking for scholarship. And this video I will be sharing about the scholarship. First of all, if this is your first time watching my video, my name is Selu. Okay, I'm an international student in Indonesia, and every single week I bring scholarship opportunity to interested international student. And for today's video, I will be sharing about the University of Luxembourg scholarship. Okay, so because there are two types of scholarship, but I will be talking about today the university, the name of the scholarship named Guillaume Dupaix scholarship. Okay, this is the name of the scholarship. It's a fully funded scholarship. Yeah, it's a full scholarship that cover many things. I will be sharing about the full benefit and also the application process, because it's different, the application process and also the scholarship process. Application process is different. Okay, and I will be also sharing the eligibility criteria and also the document required. Okay, so last year I did the video where I explained a step-by-step application process, so I will be making that video in the pinned comment so that you go through that video and see the application process step by step. But today's video I will be sharing, highlighting about the scholarship and also the full benefit of the scholarship and how to apply about for this particular scholarship. If also this is your first time to watch the video, tell me from where you're watching, and also what type of study, like what's your level of study, and what is your program of study at the same time, and also subscribe, of course, okay, so that you don't miss the next opportunity. So first of all, this scholarship is uh, offered by the Ministry of Foreign and also European Affairs and Defense and etc. from the Republic of Luxembourg. Okay, so it's to attract international students, highly talented international students, because it's like little bit like the Eiffel Scholarship for France. So this is also to attract talented international students to study in this university. Okay, so this scholarship is like an academic excellent scholarship. Okay, because it has, you have to go have not only good grade but also about leadership or extracurricular activities that can help you to enhance your application. Okay, so first of all, what are the full benefit of this scholarship, so that you know if you're gonna apply or you're gonna watch another video or shoot another scholarship. Okay, and yeah, the benefit of this scholarship is like you will be getting 11,000 euro per year. Okay, so the 11,000 euro per year is include, part of that money will be used for your accommodation, and the other part of the money will be given to you, will be sent to you through like semester per semester. Okay, at the beginning of each semester. Okay, so the deadline for you to apply for the scholarship is March 2026. You have enough time to get ready and to apply for this scholarship. Okay, and yeah, and you don't have also to mix this scholarship with other university scholarship or even other scholarship in Europe. If you are applying for this scholarship, you have to apply only to this particular scholarship. Okay, so let's go for the eligibility criteria for this scholarship. First of all, it's open to all international students, because if you are from like other European country or external non-European Africans or Asia, so this scholarship is open to international students. But you have to have like good academic excellence, because part of the scholarship is that you will apply for the admission first, later I will explain, and then you could apply for the scholarship. Okay, so you have to be an international student. Any kind of international student can apply for the scholarship, because they mentioned that it's open to UA and non-UA student. Okay, so That's the first thing. And also you have to be applying for master's degree, not bachelor degree. So you have to be applying for master's degree for you to be considered for this scholarship. Okay. And the third one is like you also don't need to use this scholarship with another scholarship. Like you are under this scholarship, then you apply for another scholarship. Another thing also, you when you are applying for this scholarship, you make sure that the program that you are choosing is only within the university. Like it doesn't have a semester abroad, because there are some of these kind of scholarship or university or programs where you can apply to study here, and the next semester you can go and study in different country, one semester at least. So for this particular program, you have to be studying part-time, like not part-time, like regular student in that university. Okay. So after that, then let's go to the application process. Okay, so the application process is a little bit different from other type of scholarship, because other type of scholarship, for example, you can just apply, then you can just get admitted directly. But for the University of Luxembourg scholarship, you need to apply for admission first. Okay, yes, you need to apply for admission first. You apply for admission, like first of all you check the requirement, you go to the website. I will leave the link of the website under the video description, or even maybe a pinned comment. Okay, so you go to the website, you check the required program, you see your interested program, like you see the requirement, you meet, if you meet the eligibility, like everything, then you apply for the scholarship before January, before March 2026. Okay, and the result will be about mid May 2026 that you're gonna get the result. So if you are in a hurry, do not apply for the scholarship. This is what I say to many people, like applying for scholarship is really having the ability to manage stress, to manage time, and also being patient, because you cannot apply today and get the result the next month. Okay, so that's it. You first need to apply for the program, and then if they check, after you apply, they will check the requirement and everything, your document that you submitted. And if they realize, okay, your document really meet the eligibility requirement, then they give you a link. They will send you a link where you will apply for the scholarship. Another thing that I would like to mention here is like the application fee is not waived, so you have to pay for the application fees. For this particular university, you have to pay for the application fees. Once you apply, you pay the application fees through a credit card, then they will process your document. Then after they process the document, then we check everything to make sure, okay, you are eligible or you meet the requirement of academic excellence, and then they send you the link for the application process. Okay, if you watch until here, tell me if you find this helpful, and also, are you going to apply for the scholarship, or you're going to apply for other scholarship, or let me know what type of video you would like me to make for the next next week. Yeah, because every week I will be making a scholarship. Last week I was sick, I did not make it, so I made the community post about it. And also tell me if you find this helpful. Okay, so that's how it works. You apply for the admission. If you got selected, they send you the link for you to apply for the scholarship itself. Okay, so for the tips that I would like to mention here for you to help you maximize your chance of getting selected, apply, like, search early. Okay, make sure that you do your own research. Go to the website, check the eligibility requirement, like eligibility criteria, everything, to make sure, okay, do I meet the eligibility criteria, do I meet the like requirement, everything. So do I have all the document required? If you don't have, try to make sure that you have the document, because you still have a lot of time by now until, like, from now until March 2026. You have enough time. So research and research again, make sure that the program you are applying is really aligned with your profile. That's the first thing. And secondly, try to make sure that you write strong personal statement, because this personal statement will be really being used to assess your ability to join the program. Okay, because they need to make sure that they are recruiting the best student. Okay, yeah. Another thing also for the tips, write a strong personal statement. I mentioned it again. Do it original, like make it do original things when you are writing. and also make sure that you align your personality, what you are writing, your goals and everything align with the scholarship and with maybe with the country or University of Luxembourg global impact, for example. Okay. Another thing, also try to reach out professor from your university so that they provide you recommendation letter, because the recommendation letter will be really helpful for your application. Okay, try to make sure that you will gain recommendation letter for this application, because it will really help your application, strengthen your application and make you stand out from other candidate. Okay. Okay, so another thing also, you need to know that the tuition fees is not uh, provided by the scholarship, but the money that they will give you, you will use that to pay part of the tuition fees. But it doesn't mean that you are not going also to prepare financially for others fees. Okay. And finally, also try to make sure that you gather all the document. Don't wait, you have time, you say okay, you have time, but don't wait until the last time and then say okay, I'm gonna apply now. No, try to make sure that you get ready from now on and you apply for the scholarship before the deadline. Okay. And this is one of the best scholarship in Europe, of course, and it's also in Central Europe. And don't miss it. You've got this, and I wish you good luck. Try to share this video with a friend who might find it helpful, and also subscribe for more scholarship opportunities. I wish you good luck. If you watch until here, congrats, and also see you in the next video. Thank you so much, and I wish you good luck with all your scholarship application. And I know it's not easy for you guys to apply, but just I would like to tell you that yeah, one day you're gonna get that scholarship that you are looking for. It might not be easy, but every step or every failure that you are going through is gonna prepare you for the next application, and one day you're gonna just secure a fully funded scholarship. And I will be really happy when you give feedback from that application experience. Okay, thank you so much, and see you in the next video.